again. Alright guys, in today's video we're doing something a little bit kind of obnoxious, I'm not gonna lie, but it's only for fun, I promise. And there's gonna be an off switch for it, so it's only gonna be turned on when I'm in the mood to mess around, or you know, I go to a car show and I just want to, you know, act out. Anyway, whatever. We're gonna be hooking up a tone to the car to make it go beep and it reverses. I think it's gonna be hilarious. We're gonna run the cords from here down through here into one of the holes that were made for my air suspension, and I'll put it right there in the bottom of the car. So we have it all hooked up, looking good. This is my idea, is that now that I have it running from the bottom of the car to that, it's going through there. I'm gonna cut this in half. I have connector wires, right? I'm gonna keep them unplugged, and then we're gonna run the wires from here down. So I'm not even gonna lie, I totally fucked up, man. When I put those clippers on, it split the wire in half, and I freaked out. I was like, oh no. I was able to wire it up and like kind of twist it up, do some good stuff there, and tape it up with the electrical tape. But the good news is it works. So I tested it out, it does work. Again, we're gonna put some connectors here. I'm gonna let you guys see the setup, but I just wanted to let you know, quick update on what happened so far. So progress so far, we got it connected. We used that as the ground because I didn't feel like splicing into another wire and messing that one up too. So we just got the ground connected to the nut, bolt, whatever. We have the wire running through there, sticking out through there, and now we're gonna clean it up, make it look official. I am so excited, guys, to show you how it sounds. All right, you guys ready for this? So again, we have the wires going from the top, negative is grounded. These are the plugs I was talking about, so I could just disconnect it anytime I want and it won't make the sound. And if you're wondering, yes, if I disconnect it, the light still works. It's not gonna just like tuck this away. It'll be hidden, unplug it when I don't want to use it. But yeah, guys, this is so stupid. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Oh boy, this shit is so obnoxious now, man, but I think it's hilarious. It's good that I can unplug it because I would hate to just have that all the time, but when I'm in the mood to troll people or if I go to an event, definitely gonna get attention with that. Maybe the wrong attention. Who cares? It's fun. But if you guys want to buy the same thing, there'll be a link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was fun to make. It's fun to do. Again, I think I'm just gonna start doing stupid shit at this point to the car.